Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to unlock awesome perks on Discord but not sure how to buy Nitro with a debit card? Follow these simple steps to get started. First of all, open Discord and navigate to user settings. You will find this at the bottom left, represented by a gear icon. Next, locate the Nitro section in the settings menu. Here you can view the Nitro plans and choose the one that best suits you. Now pick either Nitro for full perks or Nitro Basic for core benefits. Once you decide, hit subscribe. On the payment page, select card as your payment method. Make sure your card has sufficient funds. Carefully enter your card details including the number, expiration date, CVV and billing address. Double check for accuracy. Once everything is filled in correctly, click confirm. If successful, you will receive a confirmation message and your Nitro perks will be activated instantly. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.